The ETM RTR comes with this handy dandy little tool pouch. But what good are tools if you don't have them with you when you're out riding? So I geniusly made a little pouch where I can keep my tool set as well as a lock. My idea of ingenuity was taking an old Axe toiletries bag, zip tying it to the frame, and just having a pouch where I could put everything inside. Well, to no one's surprise, there's plenty of people in this e-bike industry that are much smarter than me and have better ideas. So today, look what we got. This is a 3D printed ETM RTR Storage Cubby. Huge shout out to Jeff Holbert, who I believe created this file and also posted this to the ETM RTR Facebook group. Also huge shout out to the homie Rook at KR E-Bikes who printed this for me. If you need anything 3D printed in the city of Philadelphia, hit up KR E-Bike, but this thing came out just perfect. So guys, you'll see mounting this thing is so incredibly easy. There's these two little holes here. Watch how satisfying this is gonna be. And ta-da! It just slides right in here. We line up these holes right here. You can just take some zip ties, zip tie them in. And this is effectively a pouch to hold whatever you want. Push it down like this. So it fits perfectly. It literally looks factory, just all 3D printed. So I'm gonna get some zip ties on here, get this secured, and see what we can fit in here. All right guys, so I'm gonna illustrate what exactly we can fit in here. So let's start with the toolkit and the lock, which we had in my Axe bag previously. Toolkit slides right in, lock. Fits easily. Seat would easily fit on top of this. Let's see what else we can fit. This is an LED light. Fits there. This fits here. This fits there. Almost dropped the camera, but look, that all fits. So let's say you're going on a ride, you want to bring an extra pair of gloves, a shiesty, you can shove that right in there, fits no problem. Maybe you want to bring a portable charger, that would work, no problem. Charger cable itself, and you can still even put toolkit on top of it, still fits. Take out some of this stuff. What if you want to bring some 93.7 ground beef? Maybe if it wasn't frozen, it would fit a little better. See guys, as long as you thaw your beef, then it'll fit no problem. Put the toolkit on top and we're good to go. But in all honesty guys, the setup I'll primarily run is just this RTR toolkit, which is super helpful to have with you. It's nice to have it on you on the bike all the time, but not have to carry an extra bag, as well as this just Amazon disc brake lock. So I can shove that all in there. We've got that in there. We do still have extra room. If God forbid we want to throw like gloves or a shiesty on top, or even like a portable charger. You just need to somewhat rearrange it. But the seat truly just pops right on, and you have no idea that it's under there. There's no rattle. Shake it around, there's no rattle. Plus, once you zip tie it in, it'll be extra secure in place. But it's just a great way to have tools in your bike, whatever else miscellaneous items you want to fit under there. I don't really think like a full soda can or something would fit under there, but you could probably crush a water bottle, get it to fit under there if you drink a little bit of it. But super helpful to have, just always have the tools on you, and it's a nice little use of space on this bike that otherwise you didn't have. Again, huge shout out to Jeff Holbert for posting this in the ETM RTR Facebook group. Otherwise, I never would have found this. He attached a link for the actual 3D print itself, so I'll link that down below in the description. Another enormous shout out to KR E-Bikes printing this for me. If you're in the Philadelphia area and have any e-bike needs, definitely hit up KR E-Bikes. You can find him on Instagram at KR E-Bikes. I'll also leave his information linked down below. But if you want to get this printed for your RTR in the Philly area, he's only going to charge you 35 bucks. It's typically $5 per hour printing on a design that he hasn't done himself. It will cost you a little bit more per hour if it's a design that he has done. As always guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We are on the road to 100K subs right now. We're about 7K off, so if you could subscribe, I'll greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're a fan of the RTR, we have plenty of more RTR content coming, riding, as well as additional upgrades that we're gonna put on this thing, so I'm really excited for that. But otherwise, I will catch you guys next time on the RTR, or maybe on the XXX. We'll see, but peace.